drivers, they'll be listening to you as you come through 1 and 2 on your feet. Racing 30 laps in tonight's modified feature. See if we can see back-to-back wins by the 26 of Verba. I need you off the catch fence, down by the front flag stand. We need you to move back away from the catch fence. Modified feature right back in the position as they move around for lead lap number 1. Side by side with Ford. Looks like it'll be Jones out the caution on the 3 of Stapleton, Jerry Stapleton. That means Mike Carroll, Kyle Jones, Greg Stapleton, Tyler Knuckles, and they'll go to your top 5. Robo won the first race tonight in the modified division. Carroll is your winner from last week's Robbie D night in the modified division.
That's pretty good. I was following in one car and I could see you wherever you were. It was on different things. That's good. I think I want to get a picture of the lineup.
This time around, all restacked, re-racked, and ready to go. Mike Carroll is your leader, but Kyle Jones and Greg Ship will be chasing him down in second and third, respectively. fast cars. Something had to give. The hole opens up on the inside. And Kyle Jones is able to push his way in. Safety equipment. How about a round of applause for the number 2 of Kyle Jones? We'll give him a second to get that helmet off. He can take us through it. 3 very competitive cars racing through. Stapleton was on the outside, Jones was on the inside, all of them trying to get around. Mike Carroll won last week in one of the features for the Robbie Dean night. Kyle Jones found the hole on the inside and makes it work for him. Little gutsy move on the inside to get the win.
Yeah, we had to, well, car wasn't all that great tonight, but we got it going. Dad and Mom and everybody back there, they all got the car going for me, and that's the best car's been this year. And I had to wait on Greg to show Mike his nose, and he moved up far enough, and I was able to get my nose in there. I felt bad because I got into Mike a couple of times coming off a 4. One time he got a little free, and one time it was more my fault than anything, but I hope he ain't too mad. But that had to have been a good show for the fans. I mean, 3 wide for the lead with about 3 or 4 to go.
How about it, fans? Good racing for the modified division?
Yeah!
I think there's your answer. Congratulations, another round of applause for number 2 of Kyle Jones.
Thanks. I just need to thank my sponsors real quick, Manly Graphics, BMC, and Race Art Parts there on the back. Go to that website and check that out.
All right, there you go. We'll let him get into Victory Lane, get some pictures. Coming up, the compact feature to end out the night on Whalen EMT and Firefighter Night. Coming up, we'll be picking the winning